Hi, and welcome to the Flower Budgets channel. Today, we're diving into another fascinating case study about managing personal finances. Meet Mike, a single professional who was spending too much on entertainment. Stick around to find out how he turned his financial habits around without sacrificing fun. Let's get started. Mike loved to enjoy life, and entertainment was his way of unwinding after a long work week. But soon, his entertainment expenses spiraled out of control, impacting his savings and financial health. Mike realized that his spending habits were unsustainable, and it was time for a change. So, what did he do? Let's find out. Mike decided to take a methodical approach. First, he set a fixed monthly entertainment budget. This way, he had a clear limit on what he could spend each month without feeling deprived. Next, Mike switched to more cost-effective activities. Instead of going out every weekend, he started hosting game nights at home. This not only saved money, but also strengthened his friendships. Mike's story is a great reminder that you can still enjoy life while being mindful of your finances. Here are some key takeaways from his journey. Set a budget. Determine a fixed amount you can spend on entertainment each month. Be creative. Explore cost-effective ways to have fun, like hosting events at home or finding free community activities. Prioritize experiences. Focus on meaningful experiences that provide joy rather than expensive outings. Remember, financial wellness doesn't mean cutting out fun. It's about finding the balance that works for you. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring stories.